Hey everyone, it's GoPal. Who wants to make more money and live in Europe? Poland is hiring right now in 2025, offering free visa sponsorships for various jobs. We're talking factory work, welding, driving, IT, engineering, even healthcare, all with the opportunity to make a great living while experiencing a whole new culture. You can earn 3 to 4 lakh rupees per year, all while being fully sponsored to live and work in Europe. In this video, I'm breaking down the entire process. How to apply, what jobs to look for, and how to land that dream job in Poland, all without paying any money to shady agents. I'm talking zero fees, just straight up opportunities. And if you stick around to the end, I've got a special bonus for you, a way to get personalized help with your CV and applications. So if you're ready to make your international dream a reality, let's dive in. First up, let's talk about a field with huge demand in Poland, quality control. Every single product made in those Polish factories needs to be checked for quality. And that's where you come in. Companies are desperate for detail-oriented individuals who can ensure their products meet the highest standards. It's all about precision, attention to detail, and a keen eye for spotting any imperfections. You might not need a fancy degree for this, but you do need to be reliable, meticulous, and have a knack for spotting even the tiniest flaws. Many companies offer on-the-job training, so you can learn the ropes while getting paid. They're investing in you, and in return, you're helping them maintain their reputation for quality. Landing a quality control job in Poland can be your stepping stone to bigger and better things. Once you've gained some experience, you can explore other opportunities within the company or even leverage your skills to find higher-paying positions. It's about getting your foot in the door, gaining valuable experience, and opening up a world of possibilities. Let's be real, factory work isn't always glamorous, but it's honest work that can provide a steady income and a chance to build a new life in Poland. Polish factories are booming, which means they're hungry for workers. We're talking about a wide range of roles here, from assembly line positions to machine operation, packaging, and more. One of the biggest advantages of factory work is the structured environment. You'll have set hours, clear tasks, and a steady routine, which can be incredibly helpful when you're adjusting to a new country. Plus, many factories offer on-site housing and meals, which can save you a ton of money on living expenses. Factory work in Poland isn't just about the job itself, it's about the opportunities it unlocks. Now let's talk about a role that's in high demand across various industries in Poland: production worker. This isn't just a job, it's a chance to be a part of something bigger, to contribute to the creation of products used by people all over the world. As a production worker, you'll be involved in the manufacturing process from start to finish. One of the best things about being a production worker is the opportunity for growth. As you gain experience and knowledge, you can specialize in a particular area, move up to supervisory roles, or even transition into other departments like quality control or logistics. Many companies in Poland offer training programs and professional development opportunities to their production workers, investing in their growth and helping them advance their careers. So if you're looking for a job that offers stability, growth potential, and the chance to build a rewarding career, then becoming a production worker in Poland might be the perfect opportunity for you. Alright, let's talk about a skilled trade that's in high demand all over the world, including Poland: welding. In Poland, there's a huge need for skilled welders in industries like manufacturing, construction, and even shipbuilding. We're talking TIG welding, MIG welding, MAG welding, all sorts of welding techniques that are essential for building everything from cars and airplanes to bridges and buildings. To become a successful welder in Poland, you'll need the right qualifications. There are plenty of vocational schools and training centers in Poland that can equip you with the skills you need to excel in this field. Many of these programs are specifically designed for foreigners who are looking to work in Poland, so you'll be learning alongside others who are on the same journey as you. Welding is a skill that can take you places, both literally and figuratively. Now, for all of you who love to drive and see new places, this one's for you: becoming a bus driver in Poland. Poland's public transportation system is top-notch, and they're always on the lookout for skilled and responsible drivers to keep things moving. Imagine yourself cruising through the Polish countryside, connecting people and places, all while earning a good living. One of the best things about being a bus driver is the sense of freedom it provides. You're on the open road, enjoying the scenery and meeting new people every day. You'll need a valid driver's license, a clean driving record, and you'll likely need to obtain a special bus driver's license in Poland. Many bus companies offer training programs to help you get your license and learn the ropes. Public transportation is essential, rain or shine, so you can count on a steady paycheck and consistent work. So, if you've got a passion for driving, a love for meeting new people, and the desire to live and work in Poland, then becoming a bus driver might be the perfect opportunity for you. So, there you have it, 5 awesome job opportunities in Poland just waiting for you. Remember, getting a visa-sponsored job in Poland is totally achievable, and it all starts with taking that first step. Don't forget to check the description below for links to employers and agencies that can help you get started. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future job updates. That's why I created the GK Health Passport membership. It's your one-stop shop for personalized job guidance, CV and cover letter reviews, interview prep, and so much more. You can learn more about the GK Health Passport membership by clicking the link in the description below. So what are you waiting for? Your Polish adventure starts today. See you in the next video.